Do you want to know how you can check or view promotions on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can view the promotions on 1xBet. Go ahead and open any browser and go to your Chrome or Edge and then search for 1xBet or go to 1xBet.com. Then what you need to do is log into your account, and the next step is to click on My Account, which is over here. After you click on My Account, this page will load up, and on the left hand side there will be something like VIP or promotions. So this is it. So go ahead and click VIP Cashbacks, which is under Casino, and you can see that you will be headed to this page over here, which will take you to the VIP Cashback option. This is your promotion. As you can see, some of the levels are there, so some of the top promotions will be appeared on VIP status, and you must have some very good experience points and experience rate for that. And you can also click calculate cashback amounts and you will get your cashback amount. So if you want to find out more about it, you can read the VIP cashback after you search on it, and you can see these are the promotions. So guys, this is how you view the promotions on 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.